Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Ural of New England. Today we're checking out a new color on this 2023 Ural Gear Up, and that is Polar Dawn. Very cool color, some cool accents they did here. We have this orange transitioning into a blue, and finally into a nice black. So we can see this Ural is still partially in the crate. It's actually still bolted to the crate. And we can see the sidecar has not been attached yet, as they come shipped apart from each other. But just a really cool looking machine. We can see these powder coated accessories, the light protection, the sidecar fender rack. And I like that contrast of that color matched orange on the blue. And even check out how clean the lines are on these graphics. Really, really awesome. And this is a good opportunity to show the undercoating. We can see the kind of chip guard undercoating on this kind of textured surface applied from the factory and underneath the paint, so it's going to be very durable. And even the valve covers are color matched in orange as well, giving a very cool aesthetic. Same thing with this grab handle and the one on the other side, so you can see there. And I will show you the other side of the Ural in 1 second, because you normally don't have too much room over there. But we can see this one also has nitron shocks on it. Very nice adjustable suspension, very high quality. So now checking out usually kind of the inside of the Ural that you don't get to see too much because it's kind of hidden by the sidecar. You can see the design of the exhaust, very high quality. The welds, the bends, everything. And now checking out the inside of the sidecar. Of course, some of this hardware comes off because it was just for shipping purposes. Same thing, we can see the CV axle there has protection on it. But you can even see that little slip joint there to actuate the brake on the sidecar. That will have this inserted into it off the foot lever there. Usually something, like I said, you can't really see. Got a nice rear bumper on there in black. And something usually you don't get to see off the bike. This is the rear rack for the spare tire, which the spare tire is right here. As we can see, all three wheels are here, and obviously the two that have the rotors installed already are going to be used on the bike. But this is actually the underside of the rack. It's upside down, so really you never get to see this, but you can just see how nice the welds are and that the paint finish is nice and consistent even on the underside. So that's all I have for you today in this short little exciting video. We will have more content on this Ural once we have it built up more, so stay tuned for that. But this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please leave a like and subscribe so then you don't miss the exciting motoring content we give you daily.